Kuna article moja iliandikwa na rafiki yangu anaitwa Mukiza Keys Miruki way back in 2014 or 15. It recently came up on my memories and I thought it wise to share it with you. So here goes. So there's a difference between a musician for whom music is just an interest and one for whom music is a calling. Difference number one. Those with a calling must have an interest in music. But those who have an interest in music do not necessarily have a calling for music. Tofauti ya pili, they differ in the way they handle the music. They both use Google, YouTube to learn and stuff. Lakini aliye na wito, they learn so that they can serve. The one that is just interested ni wa kushabikia tu na kuleta usta. The third difference, musician ambaye music for them is just an interest, they can live like a BGV. I'll tell you what I mean. They can stay from Monday to Friday without practicing, don't touch your instrument, don't sing, then go to practice on Saturday for the 1 or 2 hours, and Sunday you think I can go and minister. But the one for whom music is a calling, they put in the hours, the late nights, late practices, and more rehearsals, and more learning. And when they go and present their gifts upon the altar, they have prepared it. They don't do those Saturday peke yake tu. The fourth difference, a musician for whom music is just something they do out of interest is very picky. They want the motif only, or the montage, or the chronos, or the Ibanez. They're particular about brands of instruments without excellence in the playing of the instrument. One who has a calling to serve as a minister of music does not put focus on the brand of the instrument. They will pick up their instrument, whatever it is, even if it is a harp like David, and play it skillfully as unto the Lord without tantrums and mood swings, etc., etc. You got it?